ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is one of the largest publicly traded oil and gas producing companies. ExxonMobil invests in the communities where they live and work, and that can be hard since they're in over 200 countries. They donate worldwide, not just in the US. ExxonMobil has a foundation set up that donates to specific areas in need. This timeline shows when some of the foundations were established, the years, and the names of the foundations. In 2018, ExxonMobil donated $211 million worldwide. This pie graph shows a breakdown of where some of that money went. ExxonMobil has a foundation set up that focuses on a couple areas. First one is being the fight against malaria. The second one, the STEM education. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And the last one being women's economic opportunity. These are their biggest focused areas. The fight against malaria. ExxonMobil has reached 125 million people with their program and has donated over $170 million over the last 20 years. Malaria is a preventable, treatable, and curable disease, yet there are thousands of deaths every year from malaria. Since they employ many people in the countries that are affected the most by the disease, they promote such activities as voluntary testing, counseling sessions, mosquito net distributions, community events, and public awareness campaigns. They have donated over 15 million bed nets since the 2000s and have seen an 18% decline in the malaria disease since 2010. STEM education: science, technology, engineering, and math. ExxonMobil has contributed $1.25 billion to education programs worldwide. They believe not enough U.S. students pursue STEM careers and education, and believe by donating and empowering teachers, they will make a difference. Women's economic opportunity. This foundation helps women invest in themselves. They have donated over $120 million to date for the cause. ExxonMobil also spends about $500 million each year with women-owned businesses in addition to the grants.